This tutorial will give you a brief overview on how to send group emails and show you some of the main features that you're likely to use. Log into the website and go to Admin. Choose Communications, then choose New Email. Firstly, let's look at constructing the email itself. For this tutorial, we'll send an email to all the members about the new notice board on the course. So the subject for the email will be New Notice Board. And this box here will say from whom the email comes. It automatically puts your name in, but in this case we change it to Newlands Golf Club, so the members seeing it coming from Newlands Golf Club. And you can change the email address to whatever you wish. In this case I'll choose info@Newlands Golf Club. Then in the body of the email we want to put the message. The most common way we want to send the emails is to put the member's own name in it. So to do this we go hi, and then we use a tag. The most common tag we use is for name, and the tags are denominated FORE, I misspelled that there, by a squiggle bracket open and close, and this will now pull in each member's specific name, Peter, Fred, Jane, Mary, when the email goes out. Now we put in the body text of the email, and I have prepared some in advance. When the text is in place, we can manipulate the text by using some of the options that are available to us here on the menu bar. Common ones, for example, will be making words bold, italic, underlined, etc. So all you do is you select, for example, a word like clock and choose bold, and it'll embolden it. If you choose italics, it'll italicize it, and underline will also underline it. And you can do that for all the text. If you wish to emphasize a specific line, you can choose an entire line and change its style from the default paragraph to heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So we choose heading 4, and that will then alter the look of that particular text in the email. You can also choose and select all the text and use the alignment tools to center it, make it right aligned, or fill block, or in this case it may just make sense to leave it left aligned. We can also include images in the email. So if we want to include an image of our new notice board in this email, I'll put the cursor, click it here, and then I go to the image icon, click on it, and it will ask us to go to the server to find the image. In which case I will click on Browse Server, and the folder in which I would expect to have my image, in this case, is miscellaneous, so I'll click on it. Now because I haven't uploaded the image to the folder yet, I can now choose the option Upload. Click on Upload, and now all I do is drag the image from my computer into this box, and it will upload it to the server. So I drag it over into the box, release, and now click Return to Files, and it brings us back to our folder, and here we have the course notice board. Click on it, choose Insert, click OK, and it's inserted into the email. So now we have our email ready to go. How do we send it? So this gives us access to the member database. We can choose to simply select all members and then choose Search. The system then searches and finds 1006 members. And we can now send that to all the members. If we scroll down, before pressing Send Email, we may want to send a preview of the email to ourselves so that we can see it first. If we click on Send Preview, it will automatically insert your email address, and if you click Send Preview, it will send a full preview of the email to your own email address so you can proofread it before you send it. At this point then you can choose Save Draft, which means the draft is saved for future use because you can go back to it at another time. So now we have sent a preview of the email to ourselves. When we check it and see that we're comfortable with it, we can then choose send email. So if I click send email, it says, are you sure you want to send this email to 936 recipients? And I can choose yes. And if I click send, the system will queue the emails for 10 minutes before it sends it out. So you have a 10-minute window from which you can change your mind and go back and correct the email. I won't send this because the tutorial is so a quick close. If you want to do a more advanced search than just simply sending to all members, you can choose the option here, advanced search. This will allow you to do searches, for example, to all the lady members only, or members of a certain age, or juniors or adults, all adults or all juniors, etc. And each time it will give you the total number of recipients that the email will go to. I hope you find this useful, and if you have missed any parts of it, you can simply rewind the video. Thank you.